एक काम हो गया।
Hello everyone, let's do physics in khanacademy.org. The exercise name is calculating average acceleration from graphs. A llama runs until reaching its top speed. A graph of llama's velocity over time is shown below. What is llama's average acceleration from 15 to 20 seconds? From 15 to 20 seconds, its initial velocity was minus 20 meters per second and its final velocity was minus 20 meters per second. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity over change in time. Change in velocity is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity. Final velocity is minus 20 meters per second and initial velocity is minus 20 meters per second. So plus 20 meters per second over change in time is 5 seconds. So answer is this is 0 meters per second over 5 seconds. So this is all 0. Okay. A camel runs until reaching its top speed. A graph of its velocity over time is shown below. What is camel's average acceleration from 0 to 15 seconds? So from 0 to 15 seconds, its initial velocity was 0 and its final velocity was minus 20 meters per second. So minus 20 minus 0 is equal to change in velocity. So change in velocity is equal to minus 20 meters per second over change in time is equal to 15 seconds. So meters per second over seconds. So we have to minus 20 times 1 over 15 seconds, this is meter per second, and this simplifies to this is 3 and this becomes 4. So this is minus 4 over 3 meters per second squared. Correct. A daring squirrel runs toward a cat, then turns around to safety. A graph of its velocity over time is shown below. What is the squirrel's average acceleration from 0 to 20 seconds? From 0 to 20 seconds, its initial velocity was minus 10 meters per second and its final velocity was 10 meters per second. So 10 meters per second minus 10 meters per second, so this is plus 10 meters per second over change in time is 20 seconds. So this is 20 meters per second over 20 seconds. So this becomes 20 meters per second times 1 over 20 seconds. 20 cancel out and second square. So 1 meters per second square. Correct. A cat chases a mouse until the cat gets tired. A graph of cat's velocity over time is shown below. What is the cat's average acceleration from 12 to 24 seconds? So 12 to 24 seconds, its initial velocity was 8 meters per second and final velocity was 0 meters per second. So 0 meters per second minus 8 meters per second is minus 8 meters per second over change in time so over change in time is minus 8 meters per second over change in time is 12 seconds. So this becomes minus 8 meters per second times 1 over 12 seconds, so second squared, and this becomes negative 4, this becomes 6, this becomes negative 2, this becomes 3, so this becomes negative 2/3 meters per second squared. Negative 2/3. Correct.